And as long as Anna was not yet ready to talk, her womb remained shut. Why did God shut her womb? I don't know. We are not told. But what I know is that in this season, in God's calendar, Israel was without a teaching prophet. They were without guidance. Eli, the high priest, and his family, they had veered off. And God wanted someone. And Ezekiel said, but I sought for a man among them. I found none. I guess that was the same thing you could say of this era. God sought for a man, he couldn't find any. God does not compromise his stand. If he doesn't find any, he will make one happen. So, in Paul the apostle's case, God had to withdraw him from what he was pursuing by coming himself. Jesus himself did the evangelism. But in this case, God said, we are going to need to give birth to another one. How do you give birth to another one? By preparing a womb. Hallelujah. The womb is the place where God prepares to give birth specially sent agents. So God began to look. This one needs to be prepared in prayer. Maybe that was why he shut her womb. But as the story continued, Anna came to a point one day. I'm sure that as Anna wanted a child, Anna probably said, all these things that my co-wife does to me, I don't want it again. I need a child as a response. I need to be able to respond to her. And as long as that was the reason Anna wanted a child, God wasn't ready. But one day, Anna prayed the way she had never prayed before. You see, things happen in your life that make you pray the way you have never prayed before. No matter how difficult the situation is, the day you prayed like you have never prayed before, it will be altered. Because situations can be altered in prayer. History can be written and rewritten in prayers. In fact, history can be unwritten. Stories can be unwritten in the place of prayer.